everybody and welcome to a new video over here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching it, and today I have my March favorites for you. Actually, I plan to film this whole video more for a February favorites, but because of things going on I did not have the time to film a February favorites, and I thought about just doing it a little bit later, but then you know what, today is just a March and February favorites kind of in one, and today I have a few little bits and pieces beauty wise which I really loved throughout the last 2 months. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with a hair product which I discovered in February, and this is by the brand Garnier, and this is one of their, how are they called? I never know how they're called. It's the Argan almond cream for your hair. It's, you know what, I just leave the name of the range here. It's like, I don't know. This is the bottle, how it looks. It's just such an amazing thing. It's actually maybe an alternative to the L'Oreal hair oil thing, which I love so much. It's really nice. It makes the hair the softest and smoothest and loveliest thing ever. My hair looks really unhappy today. This product is amazing. Really love this. Makes my hair the smoothest and softest thing ever. Also quite not frizzy, quite smooth looking, gives the loveliest feeling to the hair, the loveliest look to the hair, and it really nourishes the hair and everything in it. Yes, I have been at the hairdresser, my hair is a lot shorter and a lot blonder again, like you can see, meaning that my hair is a lot healthier at the ends at the moment, but this really is very lovely and I can highly recommend this product. Going on and staying with care things, and I'm going on to skincare, and a product which I got in January actually, and which is like immediately became a staple and a very essential thing in my skincare routine, and it's by the brand Kiehl, and this is their Midnight Recovery Concentrate, a replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore the appearance of the skin by morning. So this is a night skincare product, but I honestly just use this kind of whenever I feel like my skin has some spots or there are a few parts of the skin in my face which really needs a little bit extra care and a little bit extra nourishing, and then I use this even if it's not at night. I use this morning, especially around my cheeks, because my skin is so dry around there, and I just had the feeling that it really needs a little bit extra care, and this is amazing. It's not the cheapest thing, to be honest, but I use this since 2 months now, and maybe that much it's now there, so that much is gone, and I really use this quite often. It's amazing. I can highly recommend it, and so worth the money it costs. It's definitely around 30 euros something. I got it a little bit cheaper because I had a voucher or 20% off thing, something like that. So if you have the possibility or the opportunity to get it at such a thing, really do, because you save money and you have an amazing product which I can really highly recommend, and probably everybody who ever used this recommends it. Okay, and now on to beauty products. I have a few here. Actually not too much if I consider that I'm doing a favorites video for 2 months, but I kind of stood with all the products I'm showing you today because they're so amazing. And another one I'm having here is a foundation by the brand Tarte. I just discovered Tarte for myself. I got the first Tarte products I think in January somehow, and I got so many, including this and the next one I want to show you. And this is their newest foundation. This is the Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. You also can get this as a regular foundation which is not hydrating, but because I'm having such dry skin I really need a little bit extra hydration, and I really love this. It's lovely to my dry skin. It looks almost 100% as long as I wear this. Very nice, even if I had very flaky spots, especially around here, which you cannot say because I made it so bright today. Maybe better like that. So this foundation is really nice. I really love it, and I don't know, you cannot see it any better when I'm not that bright, am I? I don't know, I tried so much, and I will keep on trying products to find out what I can do against these super dry spots around here. I think you can see it a little bit because it's reddish, but you know what, I'm just going to brush again. So really highly recommend this even for people with dry skin. It's of course a hydrating foundation, meaning that that is especially made for people with dry skin or with skin which needs a little bit extra hydration. I got this in the shade Porcelain, which I think is the lightest one, which I definitely need at the moment, and because I'm that pale. But you know what, I'm just going to be pale because why not? It's like very elegant. That's what I'm telling myself. Well, I can highly recommend this. I really love it. I really want to try the concealer either, which I heard a lot of good things about, but so far I only got the foundation and I'm very happy about it. You actually have a huge apply thing like that one, so you do not get it out of the bottle onto your hand. You have this little brush thing, which is not 100% something I love. So with my skin, I love this foundation and I highly recommend it. And going on to their product, which I already talked about, and it is the Tartelette in Bloom palette, which was raved about long ago, and I'm pretty late. I'm really late on the top bandwagon, but I never had the money to pay for this because these little palettes are extremely expensive. So this is the Tartelette in Bloom palette by Tarte. These are the amazing colors in the palette, mainly like more nudies and darker ones, but you can create so many lovely looks with it. You have more reddish browns down here, darker ones up here, all the champagne and golden bronzy colors in the middle. Just everything you need for an everyday lovely eye look. Definitely nothing I could create a look like today, but I really love this. The quality of the eyeshadows is quite nice. It's so amazing and I'm loving this and using this on an everyday basis whenever I'm not using my Sweet Peach palette, which is definitely also a favorite, which I really love, but I think it was also my January favorite, so I'm not talking about that today again. Either I use this one or my Sweet Peach palette at the moment. So this is amazing, really love this. Packaging is quite nice and sturdy too, and the most amazing thing and what makes this better than the other one is the huge mirror. The mirror is amazing, it's a sturdy packaging, it's very pretty packaging. Love this. And then we are already at a point where we're showing my last two favorites of this month, and it's lipsticks. And I'm not wearing any of these today because I just filmed a makeup look tutorial for this look, and I just decided, you know what, I'm going to keep on the lipstick I decided to go for with this look. But you can see how they look on my lips in the haul I got them, which was the Valentine's Beauty haul, which I try to link down below so you can see how these look on my lips. Such amazing lipsticks. So these two are from the same range, from the Rouge Velvet the lipstick range by the brand Bourjois. Got these, especially this one, because of Poppy Days. She wrote a blog post, I think it was, about her favorite products of 2017, and this one was included, and I just loved how the color looked on her. It just looked so perfect, so pretty, so beautiful. I had to get this one, and then I saw this one too, and I decided to just get both of them and to see how they are. And I always like to get a more nudie color because when I try a new lipstick. Bourjois never is too expensive, but these are incredible. So the more nudie pinky one I got is number 05, Brique something. I will type it in the description box. French and me are not a good team. And the other one is the number 07, which is Joli, Carmin'ois, whatever. So you have a brighter orangey reddish color with 07 and a quite dark nude pinky color. It actually comes out quite dark nudie pink, but it's so wearable wherever you go. For work, I wore this at work, both of them. For any occasion, this is perfect, very lovely. And they stay on the lips all day long. Incredible. They're a little bit uncomfortable when you wear them for like more than 4 hours, but which lipstick is not uncomfortable if you wear them that long? But they stay on so good. You have to reapply a little bit when you eat a lot or drink a lot. Drinking is not that much of a problem, but if you eat a lot, maybe like pasta or something, which touches your lips a lot, or burgers or something like that, which I did, and still very nice and very good. You just have to reapply it maybe a little bit. Really lovely, especially for what you pay for. You get amazing lipsticks. These are definitely underneath €10 or very close around €8 to €9, but I'm not too sure. Can't remember at the moment, but of course I will, as always, leave all the links down below. I think that's everything. So that has been my last 2 months. I hope that you had a lovely month and 2 lovely months, and then we'll have a wonderful April ahead, and I will see you in my next video. So take care and have a wonderful time, and see you soon.